What's up, guys? In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Phantom on the Phantom blockchain with Avalanche on the AVAX C blockchain and how to bridge the coins. Alright, so step one. So say you have your Avalanche on, say, Coinbase per se. So we go over here to send, and depending on how much you want to send, I'm just going to try to transfer all of mine. It's going to be $79 in Avalanche. And so you're going to go back to your Metamask and you're going to copy this address to your clipboard. And you got to make sure you're on the AVAX C Chain network or it won't work. So you're going to go back and you're going to paste that. All right. And then it should say AVAX address right here to validate it. Always double check the address to make sure you're not sending it to the wrong address. And then once you're done, you click continue. Let that load. Send now. Send now. I know send you a text message to your phone. So my code will be 3647007, and then confirm, and then just waiting for that, and then boom. And the transaction is relatively quick, like literally like 10 seconds at most. So here we'll give it a second, and then we'll refresh. There we go. So now we have two AVAX in our MetaMask account, and that is how you trade it from Coinbase to your C Chain. Alright, so after the Avalanche is in your MetaMask account, you're going to come over here to Trader Joe's, and I'll put the link in the description. And so you're going to choose whatever amount of Avalanche you would like to convert into MIM. And MIM is going to be your stable coin that you're going to need to bridge Avalanche to Phantom. And you'll see that later along the road in the video. So whatever you're going to want to do, however much amount. So I'm doing 1.3 because that's about $80, which I put in. So you're going to swap to MIM, and you're going to confirm. And you're not gonna want to trade all your Avalanche because you're going to want to keep a little bit for gas fees. So I'm going to confirm this, and then Snow Trace just allows you to see your transaction. And so right now it's pending, and we'll give it a second. And then the next step is you're going to go over to Spooky Swap, and we're going to take a look at that in just a second. Alright, so the final step, you're on Spooky Swap, and I'll leave the link in the description just like every other link I use. So once you're on Spooky Swap, you're going to come over to Bridge. And so you're going to select your chain. So you're going to select Avalanche. And then you're going to select Phantom, which it's already selected. And then your token to bridge is that MIM that you just swapped over. So your MIM. And then you're going to submit all your MIM. And for this, you have to be on the Avalanche C Chain because you're swapping from the chain. So we just did our 80 MIM, and we're going to click Bridge Token. We're going to confirm. It'll cost like 10 cents in gas fees. And while this bridges, it takes probably 5 to 10 minutes to bridge your coins over. So I'll catch you guys in just a second when it's all bridged. Alright, so as you can see here, our token was successfully bridged. So now we have 80 MIM to Phantom. Alright, so then we're going to go back over to Swap. And from here, we're going to choose, where is it? We're going to go MIM, and we're going to go Phantom. Alright, so we see our MIM. And then for me, I don't want to convert all of mine to Phantom. But so what you're going to do is you're going to type in MIM, and you're going to make sure it's Phantom. And then here's the conversion rate. Phantom, I think the price is like 2 something right now. The price of Phantom, yeah, it's like 214. So there's your conversion rate. And then you're actually going to have to go back to MetaMask, and you're going to have to swap from the C chain, the Avalanche, and you're going to have to put in the Phantom Opera chain. And I'll link all of that. I'll link all of that in the description so you can copy the address. And to do that, you just add network and then you copy and paste it. Not hard. I'll do that. I'll show you guys how to do that later in a separate video. So once you're there on the Phantom network, you're going to go back to Spooky Swap, and then it'll allow you to swap. And all you got to do is click swap. And then once you click swap, you click approve, I believe. And then that is your final step to having Phantom. And then if you want to convert Phantom to like, here we'll say, if you want to convert Phantom to like wrapped Phantom, then it's the same thing, but from here you're swapping, so you're done bridging. And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed.